Very good morning to all of you. It's lovely to see you all back on the second day. And we had a lovely dance program yesterday by Ranjit and Vijana. So you'd have seen the amount of balance in their body, every stretches they did. It was just simply superb, I would say. Just perfect. So how does that one achieve? It's mere practice of yoga. For any art form, for any dance form, this core muscle is so important. So through these different asanas, you get to learn how to make your core muscle strong and how to make other muscles flexible. So by practicing this regularly, one could really get that balance that you need while dancing. The compose, the balance, the strength, whether you jump or whether you turn, whether you sit in Molumandi or whatever. So every time when you were watching them, it was so beautiful yesterday. The postures, like when they were doing the Matsya Avatara, whatever, no? When once it is there, it is just there, isn't it? So that we all should aim to make our body flexible, strengthen it, and be happy to dance. Yeah? Now, over to Ranjit and Vijana. Thank you.
Walking with the toes means you have to walk with the toes without dropping your heels. Just walk with the toes and feel your calf muscles, how it's working. Calf muscles. Go anywhere and come. Just move your body with more alertness.
Feel free, move around, use the entire space.
Say hello to all.
Wish everybody.
Just move with your
Introduce yourself.
toes. Just say hi, hello. And wake up. Now walk with your heels. Don't drop your toes. Just walk with your heels.
Now walk on your heels.
Walk around. Go anywhere. Feel the muscles again. Lower back should be straight. Hold your stomach. Now walk with your side of the feet. Just press your feet and walk. Walk around. Just move fast. Now walk with the other side of the feet. Press. Press that side more on the ground, giving you entire massage on your feet, activating all the nerves. Generally, all our nervous system start from our feet. All points are there in your feet. You have to activate that. Come to the position. Move with your muscles. Feel the calf muscles again and thigh muscles. Faster. Fast. But move with your muscles. Don't do this. Okay? Move with your muscles again. You understand? Move with your muscles. No bouncing. Fast, fast. Move with your muscles. Fold your stomach. Faster. Move with your muscles and faster. Relax. Switch your arms up. Up. Relax. Come forward. We'll do Surya Namaskaram. Make sure you have space to stretch your leg. They will be crowded. Come forward. Yes. Can you stand there? You can stretch your leg back. No, no space. You can come here. Mat will be. Okay? Now close your eyes. Feel the balance of your body. Should not move your body. Breathe. Inhale, exhale on prayer position. Inhale, arms over your head and arch back. Exhale, stretch forward and place your palm by the side of your feet. You can bend your knee and place your palm. Placing palm is very, very, very important. Once you place, you should not move your palm. Palm should be same place. And inhale, stretch your right leg back. Look up and breathe. Knee down, knee down. Look up, look up. And retain left leg back, body straight line. Should not lift your hip up, straight line. Body straight, 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 straight. Yes. Don't draw, dip also. Yes, yeah, straight. Don't dip your body. Lift, lift, lift. Yes, straight line. Exhale, knee, chest, forehead on the ground. You dip and down. Then you lift and down. Lifting your buttocks up. Inhale, head up, chest up. Look up. Don't lift your stomach. Stomach should be down. Yes. Only your upper part of the body. Exhale, inverted V. Inhale, right leg between your arms. Lift up your body. Exhale, left leg. Inhale, come up and arch back. Exhale, relax. Inhale, exhale on prayer position. Inhale, arms over your head and arch back. Exhale, stretch forward and place your palm by the side of your feet. Place the palm. That is very, very important. Once you place, don't move your palm. You can bend your knee and place your palm by the side of your feet. Inhale, left leg back, look up and breathe. Left knee down. Stretch your toes back. Inhale and retain. Right leg, body straight line. Don't lift your buttocks up or down. Body straight line. How you stand? Same way. Exhale, knee, chest, forehead on the ground. Lifting your buttocks up. Bring only your knee and your chest and your forehead. Inhale, head up, chest up, look up. Exhale, inverted V. Bring your heels on the ground, nose on the ground. Stretch. Inhale, left leg between your arms. Right knee down. Exhale, right leg. Inhale, come up and arch back. Exhale, relax. I will tell you some points that you cannot bend and place your palm. You can just bend your knee and place. Placing palm is very important. That is the measurement of Surya Namaskara. Entire Surya Namaskara you are doing with that base. Okay? I will show you one more time what all mistakes you are doing. flat push-up positions, you can call it. In that position, you're holding it. Other than that, everything, inhale, exhale. Okay? That slowly you develop that, but concentrate on the postures, very, very important. If you can't breathe properly, just breathe normally while doing, and get the postures correct. Okay? Because we are dancers, we need more postures now. Later on you can work on the breath. Close your eyes. Inhale, exhale, arm prayer position. Inhale, arms over your head and arch back. Exhale, stretch forward, extend your body forward, maximum and bend, and place your palm by the side of your feet. Inhale, right leg back, look up. Very good. Retain left body straight line. Body straight line. Exhale, knee, chest, forehead on the ground. Lifting your buttocks up. Inhale, head up, chest up, look up. Very good. Relax your shoulders. Exhale, inverted V. Inhale, right leg between your arms. Exhale, left leg. Inhale, come up and arch back. Exhale, relax. Very, very good. Inhale, exhale, arm prayer position. Really feel that, whatever you do, go with the body. Go with the body. Then you get more flexibility. You can feel that really what you are doing. That is very, very important. How you dance. You cannot think something and dance. Same way, you just put all your mind in that postures. Then you can correct well. Okay, you get more flexibility. Inhale, exhale, arm prayer position. Inhale, arms over head and arch back. Exhale, stretch forward and place your palm by the side of your feet. Inhale, left leg back, look up. Retain right body straight line. Exhale, knee, chest, forehead on the ground. Inhale, head up, chest up, look up. Relax your shoulders, don't lift your shoulders, relax your shoulders. Concentrate on your lower back. Exhale, inverted V. Stretch back maximum, bring your heels on the ground. Inhale, left leg between your arms. Exhale, right leg. Inhale, come up and arch back. Exhale, relax. Now you understood. Now we'll go normal speed. Okay? Inhale, exhale, arm prayer position. Inhale, arms over your head and arch back. Exhale, stretch forward and place your palm. Inhale, right leg back, look up. Retain left body straight line. Exhale, knee, chest, forehead on the ground. Inhale, head up, chest up, look up. Exhale, inverted V. Inhale, right, stretch forward and place your palm by the side of your feet. Inhale, left leg back, look up. Retain right body straight line. Exhale, knee, chest, forehead on the ground. Inhale, head up, chest up, look up. Exhale, inverted V. Inhale, left leg between your arms. Exhale, right. Inhale, come up and arch back. Exhale, relax. Now you did right and left. This you can do 6 rounds. Actually, Surya Namaskaram should be practiced 12 rounds. Minimum 6 rounds. Now you did right and left means 1 round. You did 2 rounds. Now we'll go continuous round. That's very, very good for dancers. No stopping, right and left together. Okay? No, only one time, but right and left. Close your eyes. Inhale, exhale, arm prayer position. Inhale, arms over your head and arch back. Exhale, bend forward and place. Inhale, right leg back, look up. Retain left body straight line. Exhale, knee, chest, forehead on the ground. Inhale, head up, chest up, look up. Exhale, inverted V. Inhale, right leg between your arms. Exhale. Left inhale, come up and arch back. Exhale, bend forward and place your palm by the side of your feet. Inhale, left leg back, look up. You understood? Say continuous round. No, I will show you. How to go with the speed, clarity, and how to do continuously. Continuous round.
Feet together, feel the balance. Inhale, exhale, arms in prayer position. Inhale, arch back. Exhale. Inhale, right leg back. Retain left. Exhale. Inhale, look up. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale.